How to edit a text in Divi pages. Log in to WordPress. Click here to visit the site. Then go to the page you like to change. Click this purple Divi icon to enable Visual Builder. There is a simple structure on Divi pages. First we have a section, shown in blue. Then inside a section we have rows shown in green. And finally inside each row we have modules, which shown in gray color. We are going to edit a text module. Click on Module Setting button. Now edit your text. OK. Seems it doesn't fit in the box, so I must make the font size smaller. For doing that, click on this blue brush icon here. It will take you to the exact location on Design tab. Here it is, H1 title. Change the font size. It looks good on desktop view, but we need to check other views too. It is okay on tablet. A bit large on mobile, so we have to adjust font size for mobile view. Size is good now, but I think the text is not easy to read, so how about adding a text shadow? I chose desirable text shadow and made it a bit darker. After you have done editing each module, you should click the green button to save and close the setting box. When you finished editing the page, click this purple cross icon in the bottom of the page and click Save. Now you can exit the Visual Builder.